Morning students. Today I am going to teach you the rest part of the determinants. In my previous classes I have taught you that where we can use and what can we use in the determinants. As I have taught you that in determinants we have to read about articles, pronouns and adjectives. And I have taught you the where the article can be placed and what is the pronunciation of articles the and the. All things I have taught you in my previous class. I hope that you have better understand. There should not be any problem. Now we are going to know the usage of definite articles, where we can use the definite articles. The first sentence you are looking, if singular countable noun comes at first in a sentence, then we use a or an before noun. That means अगर किसी सेंटेंस में सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन पहले आता है, स्टार्टिंग में ही आता है, तो हम लोग वहाँ पर अ और एन का यूज करते हैं. बट इफ नाउन स्टार्टेड टू रिपीट 2 or 3 times, देन वी यूज द. अगर वही नाउन दोबारा रिपीट करने लगता है तो हम लोग द का प्रयोग उसके प्रत्यय करते हैं. जैसे मोहन बॉट अ पेन. हियर यू आर लुकिंग बॉट अ पेन. पेन इज द नाउन and before that we have used here or. But here the pen is the repeating, the same word is repeating, then we have used here the pen is Japanese. That is the first rule of using definite article. Now we are going to know the rules of a second. If singular countable noun is used to express the whole spices, then we use the. अगर कोई एक सिंगुलर नाउन पूरे whole spices को बताता है, कास्ट को बताता है, then we use the. Just you are looking, the tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. One tiger is expressing the whole wild animal. Therefore, whole wild animal. Therefore, we have used here the tiger. Okay. So I hope that you are understanding. Now we are going to know the third rules. Whenever the structure of sentence is noun of plus noun. Whenever structure of sentence is noun of noun, you are looking noun of noun, then we use the before noun. He likes the tea of India. Tea is noun, India is noun, and there is of. That is the structure of noun of noun. That's why we have used here the. Okay. So in this, if you are finding this structure, then before the first noun we have to use definite article. Now we are going to know fourth rule of using definite article the. If in a sentence there is expression of selection, then before the comparative word article the is used. That means अगर किसी सेंटेंस में सिलेक्शन का एक्सप्रेशन है, as we know that before the comparative word article the is not used. But if there is expression of selection, then we use before definite article the before that word. We are looking, he is the cleverer of the two. He is the cleverer of the two. Cleverer is comparative word. It is the comparative word, and before that we have used here the. After that, we are going to know that the fifth rule. If wishes increase according to the ratio of getting, then we use the before the comparative word. The more he gets, the more he wants. You are looking, the more he gets, the more he wants. मगर अगर हमारी इच्छा जितना हम पाते हैं उसके अनुसार और बढ़ते जाती है, तो दोनों वर्ब के पहले हमको दोनों comparative word के पहले हमको डिफरेंट आर्टिकल यूज करना होगा. The more he gets, the more he wants. Now next rule is the is used before ordinal number. As I have taught you in previous class also that ordinal number, what is ordinal number. So when you find ordinal number in a sentence, then before that you have to use definite articles. I shall catch the next bus. You are looking that next bus. Next is what? Ordinal number. So that we have used here definite article the. Article. Now we are going to know the eighth rule. When in a sentence it is expressed that one person has two adjectives. One person has two adjectives or quality. Then we use the before the first adjective. The before the फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव। दैट मीन्स अगर किसी सेंटेंस में आपको ऐसा लगता है कि एक ही व्यक्ति के दो गुण की चर्चा की जा रही है, एक्सप्लेनेशन किया जा रहा है, देन वी यूज द बिफोर द फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव। बाय एग्जांपल यू कैन बेटर अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेट लीडर एंड फिलोसफर इज हियर। One person has two qualities, the great leader, but he is a great leader and he is a philosopher. That's why we have used here also singular verb. Okay, that's why if we are using definite article before the two adjectives, first and second adjective, then meaning of that is there is two person, like the great leader, the great leader and philosopher are the great leader and the philosopher अगर यूज करते हैं and the philosopher are here. That means एक व्यक्ति दो यहाँ पर here is two person, the great leader and the philosopher. Two person, the great one is great leader and second is the philosopher. And in this sentence there is one person, the great leader. He has the two qualities, the great leader and philosopher. Next we are going to know that it is used before the name of river and topic, river and epic. That means the Ganga. Whenever using the name of river, then before that you have to use the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Satluj, the Ramayana, the Quran, etc. So now we are going to the last rule for using definite article. It is used before on you know that we have used here the or using definite article, and I hope that you have better understand. And the where the article is not used, I will explain it tomorrow, and for today that's enough, and tomorrow we will discuss that where the article is not used. Okay, and you will do the exercise, you will do your exercise I have given you as homework. That is the you have to do exercise A, page number 39, and tomorrow we will meet at the same time. Thank you for today.